Good morning, my name is Oscar with the MD General Contractors. Today is June 20, 2024. I'm in Gatesboro, Maryland, about to do a repair tent for Allstate. And a couple weeks ago, this area was affected with some really high winds. Before I start with the repair tent, I'm gonna go ahead and take an overview of the front slope and the back slope. This right here is the front slope. That's the repair tent that we're gonna run right there. Some of the wind damages right there. This right here is the back slope. The front slope. Now let me take you back to the back slope. Missing shingle. Missing shingle. Some more missing shingles right there. Creases. This right here is the back slope. Now let me take you back to the front slope where we're gonna conduct the repair tent. And once again, basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace this shingle over here. To do that, we're gonna have to break the seal of the two rows of shingles above. And let's see how this goes, okay? Stay with me for a little bit. I got some extra help that is gonna help me record this video. Now, as you guys saw, we're losing a lot of granule right here. Roof is losing a lot of granule. Not only that, by replacing this shingle over here, we kind of damaged the shingle above. You guys see the crease over there, and crease right there as well. So because of that, I don't think this shingle is repairable, because we're losing a lot of granule, and then we also damaging the shingle above right there with the crease. I don't think this roof is repairable. Hopefully we can get this one approved. Damages, we probably have about 30 damages overall, like 12 damages in the front, and mainly a lot of damages in the back. All right, this is all for me today. You guys have a good day. Thank you.